What's up, card family? Jetman80 back here with another video. Hope everyone had a great 4th of July. I got a big mail day, an epic mail day. I actually recorded this video. It was almost done. I pulled this Pat Snodgrass, dropped my phone, and it just stopped the video. So I didn't want to just throw it up and it just ends because I was about to start the best probably break I've been in a while, especially retail stuff. Some other random pickups. I finally got the Mosaic in after Pack Cards A7 sent me the redemption code in August of last year. Rashad, Carter, Red Wave, Guestino Red, the more Draft Day Instant, Mims, some P. Ryan out of 10. I got this for $1 plus the $4 shipping. P. Ryan, Kenny, that's out of 100. That was from a break. The red front row, the Sage, Bailey, some. And those are extras. Let's just get into this. Oh, that was a pickup. That was $1 with free shipping. I got this cheap, 98 out of 199, because there is some foil coming up on the bottom, but whatever. This is from Snodzilla. He had a Stadium Club break, and he had to have a mini, and I won one of the spots. I got the Astros, Nolan Ryan, Greinke. I made a trade with Tom. He took a Nolan Ryan. I guess I got 2 of them, and I took a Munson from him. Because if you can't tell, I am PCing Munson a little bit now. It's the red Yordi. And whoever the hell this guy is, at least it's on card. Oh, which break? We'll do this one. This is a 1-box legacy. Got all the rookies. And I did hit Elijah Moore, 17 out of 25. But one problem. There's no jersey patches in there. There's nothing. So I'll be contacting Panini's customer service tomorrow. Wish me luck when I go down that wormhole. We'll do one of these. This was a mixer of retail and hobby stuff. The hobby was Legacy. Excuse me. Morgan. Purple Shock, P. Ryan, and an Adams Green. This was another mixer from the, what are they called? I forget what they're called. The high H2. The red disco. All-American Zach Wilson. Morgan, Mims, yeah. Red out of 299. Moore and Carter base. We'll do this one first. This was a 6 Prism Draft Blasters. Moore, Richard. Silver Elijah Moore. Wilson Crusade. Wilson All-American. And Green Hyper. Michael Carter. 8 out of 25. Now, this was 6 blasters and 1 mega. Bunch of Carter rookies. Bunch of Moores. All-Americans Wilson, Zach Wilson base. Another All-Americans. Orange Chards, Elijah Moore. These aren't numbered. Did go get the auto in the box. Milo Eiffel, Effler, whatever. Zach Wilson, orange, All-Americans. The green, All-American Zach Wilson. And this was actually in the first blaster. The second pack, the first green to come out was in the second pack. The green, Zach Wilson, base. So that was a really good break. Prism Draft Retail, I really haven't seen too many bad blasters. I've seen a few on-campus cards come out. I've seen autos come out. I mean, if I can find a blaster in the wild, it'd be awesome. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Like, sub, comment. Be good, be safe. Jets, 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 Jets. Peace all.